Today we will discuss about a unique experiment in France. 15 volunteers have been released to a large, deep and dark cave in France and will be isolated there for 40 days. However, they will not have a device, including a mobile phone and a watch, to track the time or keep in touch with the outside world. This exciting scientific experiment, which started just 2 days ago, on March 14, 2021, has been dubbed Deep Time, in which 8 male and 7 female volunteers are participating. It will end 40 days later, on April 22. Deep Time's monitoring and analysis is entrusted to the famous Paris-based research institute, École Normale Supérieure, whose experts are not only constantly aware of the conditions of these volunteers. We will continue to do research on the results obtained after the completion of the experiment. Because this experiment is broad-based and multi-purpose, it is to be hoped that the increase in our knowledge will also be unique and comprehensive. The purpose of the experiment is to learn about 2 things in particular. First, how does being cut off from the rest of the world for a long time affect a person's emotional state and ability to acquire it? And second, how do humans feel about the flow of time, in the absence of any external means of determining time? Although it is considered to be the world's first experiment in its own right, there have been various such experiments since the 1960s, in which 1 or more volunteers spent time in a deep cave. Have spent a few days to a few months without accounting. The world record for the longest time spent in an underground cave is 130 days, set in 1989 by an Italian woman, Stefania Felloni, during an experiment. However, it is safe to say that Deep Time's research objectives are far broader and more unique than those of other similar experiments.